haven't, and we've been talking about doing more.
Sorry about
breakfast. I know. We apologize.
You know, we do our shakes every day, so I think we don't think about breakfast because we have our complete shake.
Right.
But we found a way to bring you your complete nutrition. So all the macros you need for a complete meal. 15 plants, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, high fiber.
Delicious.
I'll tell you, the fiber, it works, guys.
Oh gosh,
It does.
It really does.
We found a way to bring you that in a healthy, complete chocolate peanut butter muffin. I do love muffins, and I honestly like them as an afternoon snack. Sometimes I just want something sweet, so this would be kind of a good little snack.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
So, super simple recipe. We're going to do everything in the food processor and make our muffins here. So we're going to start by using our wet ingredients. We've got 3/4 cup of our unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And we've got a 1/3 cup of our organic maple syrup. So natural sweetener like maple syrup or honey is the way to go when you're making something. We've got 1/2 cup of our almond butter. So natural almond butter.
You gonna start cracking those eggs for me?
Yeah, and then we're gonna do a couple eggs here. I'll put those in here for you.
I'm excited about this. You make a delicious muffin.
I love muffins and bread.
I love it. I miss it because I haven't had it in a while, but
Well,
maybe this
we'll see what this one's like.
Yeah.
See if this one's any better. So we've got 2 eggs, and we're gonna just blend that just real quick, and then we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So my super loud food processor.
yeah, please hold.
Oh, I hate that noise so much. It's like alarming, isn't it? Oh, okay.
You moved my paper towel.
I did move your paper towels. I'm sorry. For safety net. All right, 2 cups here of our gluten-free rolled oats. Again, we've mentioned this before. Our favorite gluten-free oats. They're my favorite oats in general. These are from Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's, baby.
We've got 3/4 cup of our natural unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 nanners, and these are just perfect. In fact, these are what inspired us to do these because we have just the perfect bananas. There you go. We've got here a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla if you wanna grab that. And I'm gonna get 1 scoop of our chocolate complete to add extra nutrition here. All right, and then we're gonna blend her up. Okay. So blend away, baby, and then we'll add some of our yummy semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Okay, earmuffs.
Okay. What do you think? I mean, it's always sounded like that, but man, that's alarming. I'm gonna get a spoon so we can maybe taste it.
Let me just blend a little bit more.
Blend a little bit more.
Because I think you want the oats to kind of...
Yeah, you want them pulverized. You don't want them all chunky, I don't think.
No. Okay, one more time.
All right. Can you still hear?
Huh?
I know, it's
What?
like, it's alarming. All right, let's see what we got going here and see how this tastes. Here's a spoon.
I'm not a batter person. You're the batter person.
The flavor is awesome. The oats I still taste, which I don't think is going to bother me in the muffin. But why don't you do it just one more?
Okay.
One more time. Sorry.
No, sorry.
So this has a really awesome chocolatey. I mean, it's chocolatey, which is going to make me so happy.
Okay, here we go.
Go. You can always use oat flour. I think once we cook that, that's going to be perfect.
Well, and we've talked about before about maybe putting the oats in first and hitting it to break them up more.
Which we could have done, but
Yeah,
and that's an option too. I don't mind a little bit of. I like it to taste a little bit of it in the chunk, but that's nice and smooth now. And then we are supposed to add some of these in and then sprinkle the rest on top. At least that's my plan. So we can kind of spoon it around, and then I thought we would just drop it with those. How does that sound?
Okay. Can I take this middle thing out, or will it go? Is there a whole? I don't really.
You can. Yeah.
I'm always scared. I always feel like the batter's gonna go right in between like that.
There we go. You actually probably could do this in a blender. We just didn't have the big blender ready, so we're doing it in a food processor.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, so we'll just scoop those into our muffin tins. Put a few chocolate chips on top, and then those bake at 350. And we're gonna kind of let you know when we come back and bring them to you how long, but gonna be delicious.
Listen, and this is a tool everybody should have, this little scoop.
Yes, you got me onto that.
I
So
know.
when you're filling any kind of little muffin cup, you just want to get your ice cream scoop for the right size. I have a smaller one that I use for my mini muffin. I used to just try to pour it in there or use a regular spoon, and I had junk everywhere.
I'm sorry.
I know, it was funny. Oh yeah, kind of like that.
No,
See?
I'm laughing because, you know, you're supposed to add the chocolate chips and just stir,
Uh-huh.
and I think we pulverized the chocolate chips up.
No, we didn't.
You sure?
Yeah,
Did we?
I put
Okay.
them in just a second ago. Yeah, we're good.
Sorry, people. It's Monday, the day after Derby and Cinco. Okay.
Yeah, you're a little off.
I'm a little. Actually, I'm off most Mondays. So
That's
I don't know
okay.
what that says about me.
All good, all good. So do you want to add more? Or do you think we do more muffins with the batter?
Add more. I don't know how. Are they gonna pop
I
up?
don't know. Should we just try it like this and see?
I say let's try it like
All
this.
right,
and
so
see.
we're just gonna do a few chocolate chips. We have a little more
Well,
batter.
you're a baker. Should I add more?
I mean, I think you're probably right. I don't think they're gonna puff up a lot. There's not much.
So go ahead and add more.
Maybe a touch.
What are you saying?
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm thinking. I'm trying to decide if I want to add a little more batter or if we want to get another muffin tin. Most recipes are for 12 muffins, so I'm thinking we should put more in there.
All right.
That's where I'm coming.
Is that what you're saying?
That's a long way to say.
I'm
Do is what's in my head, please. Just read my mind.
You know, I do most of the time, and
I
it's
know.
kind of scary.
We're all good. So you're gonna cover some of my chips
I
there,
am.
but that's okay.
That's okay.
It'll just make them extra chocolatey. So these, we really like these. These are a semi-sweet, dairy-free chocolate chip. And so, and honestly, they're so good, and they're just as good as regular, I think.
Oh, Ryan doesn't even know he's eating them.
No, and the mini's kind of nice for muffins. See, there we go. I think that's how we're supposed to do it because that's a perfect amount for 12.
Okay.
There we go. I have never met a muffin recipe that was for more than 12, so.
Well, there you go.
I'm thinking that's where we go. Okay.
All right, so you said 350 for how long? Did we say how
I
long?
can't remember. We're gonna have to see. I think about 12 minutes,
Okay.
12 to 15 minutes, but we'll do it and see how it turns out. So we'll be right back with you guys.
Okay.
All right. Peace. See ya.
Okay, let's look at the.
Oh my gosh, they look perfect. Oh.
They smell.
Okay, they smell
So
amazing.
good.
Look at those.
Oh.
That's some happy breakfast right there and healthy.
Okay.
Oh, you can just smell the chocolate.
I know.
It's like brownie.
Smells so good.
Okay, I am so excited. So we let these cool for just a short bit here, and gosh, it looks like they're gonna pop out super easy out of the muffin tin. You could always use muffin liners, but those come out super easy.
I'm so excited.
I am so excited. Should we try it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
So-
you gotta try it, right? There you go. Let me cut
Oh,
your.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good and chocolatey. Yummy. That's heaven.
I put the whole thing in my mouth.
That's heaven.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they're dense. They're pretty dense. These are going to be filling. And,
It's fudgy.
uh-huh. It tastes like a dense,
Oh my gosh.
a dense fudge brownie. That's what it tastes like, don't you think?
Those are so good.
You looking at them for,
I'm surprised.
I know. They're delicious. So, gluten-free, dairy-free, right? So use the almond milk, the dairy-free chips.
You got the complete in it, so you got 15 plants.
Mm-hmm.
You have banana. I mean,
We have our first official muffin recipe. Nice.
okay, that's really good. You know what I think is going to be even better?
What?
When they're in the fridge or the freezer.
Me too. So I actually like desserts out of the fridge or freezer because I like that chocolate to be hard. You're right. I think they're going to be better like that.
And honestly, at first I was like, but now you're starting to rub off on me. And I think that would be really good in the refrigerator.
Well, I
mean,
guess
they're-
we'll have to put them in the fridge and do another taste test.
Let's do that. Wait, let me eat a whole one.
That's right. All right. Give this a try, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. We would love to share other great recipes with you. If you want us to think of a recipe or there's something you're wanting to see, let us know. And we will put the recipe in the comments. So be sure to like and subscribe. I know, it's so good.
Home run, baby.
Home run. Awesome. See ya. I'm just so good.
It's almost like our flourless brownies that we have, the chocolate. It's got that silky kind of, oh Lord.